Welcome to Get the Math. Today we are solving a linear inequality, writing the answer in interval notation, and graphing the solution on a number line. Here is the problem. Solve negative 3x minus 4 is less than or equal to 8. Write the answer in interval notation and graph the solution. Now, solving an inequality works almost exactly like solving an equation. There is just one important rule to remember. If you multiply or divide both sides by a negative number, you must flip the inequality sign. Let's solve step by step. Step 1. Add 4 to both sides. Negative 3x minus 4 plus 4 is less than or equal to 8 plus 4. Negative 3x is less than or equal to 12. Step 2. Divide both sides by negative 3. Since we are dividing by a negative number, we flip the inequality sign. Less than or equal to becomes greater than or equal to. Negative 3x divided by negative 3 is greater than or equal to 12 divided by negative 3. X is greater than or equal to negative 4. Now let's write the answer in interval notation. X is greater than or equal to negative 4. That means x starts at negative 4 and goes to positive infinity. In interval notation, we use a bracket next to negative 4 because negative 4 is included. And we use a parenthesis next to infinity because infinity is never included. Now let's graph the solution on a number line. Since x is greater than or equal to negative 4, we place a closed circle at negative 4. Because negative 4 is included. Then we shade everything to the right, toward positive infinity. The solution is x is greater than or equal to negative 4. Interval notation, bracket negative 4, infinity parenthesis. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more math lessons every week. See you in the next one.